Before I jump into the video, please subscribe our channel. We daily upload videos about home remedies, health, foods, weight loss and fat burning methods. Get started with a diet to assist you to reduce, burn fat and improve your health called the keto diet. I want to inform you about the keto or ketogenic diet, which may be a low-carb, high-fat hotel plan that puts your body into ketosis. It is one among best, greater than the simplest and most effective weight loss diets today. Why? A ketogenic diet is great for weight loss because when your body is in ketosis, it starts to use fat for energy. Your insulin levels drop and fat burning increases greatly, which makes it easier to access your fat stores and burn them off. The sudden lifestyle change in eating habits assist you to see results faster if you'll commit fully to the keto diet. People tend to lose a big amount of their excess weight within the first week of a keto diet, but you'll expect to lose around 10 pounds. It is worth noting that the body retains tons of water due to the surplus consumption of carbohydrates. Hence, the initial weight loss is typically due to the removal of excess water within the body. Note that this will trigger symptoms that are almost like the flu, which is understood as keto flu. Therefore, it's important to be hydrated throughout the phase of the diet. 2 weeks into the diet, there'll be a gentle, slower pace to losing weight. This is also the time when your body becomes adapted to keto because it starts burning fat rather than carbs for energy. If you're following a well-formulated keto diet plan, you're bound to lose significant amounts of fat. A ketogenic diet provides a chance for ladies to achieve an hourglass figure. The best way to achieve the long-term goal is to be consistent, disciplined and to follow the dietary guidelines. It is up to you to be disciplined and consistent. This guide is mainly to provide you with all the information you need to help you reach your weight loss goals with the keto diet. How does keto work? Keto works by consuming 5% of your calories from carbohydrates, 20% of your calories from protein and 75% of your calories from fats. Ketosis is a natural state for the body. It happens when the body is almost completely fueled by fat. This is normal when you are fasting or on a strict low-carb diet, also referred to as a keto diet. The keto within the word ketosis comes from ketones, the name given to small fuel molecules within the body. These ketones are produced when your food includes very few carbs, the main source of blood sugar, and moderate amounts of protein. Too much protein is converted to blood sugar. When you do that, the fat you consume is converted within the liver to ketones, which then enter the bloodstream. The ketones are then used as fuel by the cells within the body, a bit like glucose. Even the brain uses them. This is vital, because the brain, which may be a very hungry organ, can't be directly fueled by fat. Your body is in ketosis when it produces enough ketones to measure significant levels in the blood, usually over 0.5 m. The fastest way to achieve ketosis is by fasting, but you can't do that forever. Ketosis gives your body and brain an almost unlimited supply of energy, increasing your mental and physical endurance. It also reduces hunger, speeding up your weight loss. Also, because getting into ketosis requires eating little carbs, it can help reverse type 2 diabetes. It has also been used for an extended time to regulate epilepsy, usually even without medications. It is even showing great results in improving several other conditions such as acne, PCOS and even brain cancer. 7-day keto diet meal plan. If you would like to start out your weight loss journey by joining the keto gang, then you've got to urge conversant in what a keto diet plan seems like. In this section, you'll find a 7-day hotel plan and delicious recipes. Keto meals are as delicious as regular meals and that they are easy to organize. Who says keto meals are boring? With these fantastic recipes, you'll celebrate, eat delicious meals, all while achieving your weight loss goals. Simply follow the breakfast, lunch and dinner recipes for each day and add 2 of the snack recipes that you like the most. Day 1, Monday. Breakfast, smashed avocado with eggs. Lunch, bacon and cheddar soup. Dinner, spicy tacos. Day 2, Tuesday. Breakfast, keto coffee and handful of walnuts. Lunch, spicy tacos. Dinner, chicken curry on cauliflower rice. Day 3, Wednesday. Breakfast, cheesy keto omelet. Lunch, chicken curry on cauliflower rice. Dinner, keto beef zoodles, zucchini noodles. Day 4, Thursday. Breakfast, keto coffee and handful of walnuts. Lunch, bacon and cheddar soup. Dinner, keto beef zoodles, zucchini noodles. Day 5, Friday. Breakfast, smashed avocado with eggs. Lunch, spicy tacos. Dinner, broccoli and beef stir-fry. Day 6, Saturday. Breakfast, keto coffee and handful of walnuts. Lunch, bacon and cheddar soup. Dinner, keto beef zoodles, zucchini noodles. Day 7, Sunday. Breakfast, 2 fried eggs and bacon. Lunch, spicy tacos. Dinner, broccoli and beef stir-fry. Week 1, snacks. Snack, handful of walnuts or almonds. Snack, hard cheese and an apple. Snack, celery sticks and almond butter. Snack, a hard-boiled egg. Snack, bacon chips. Did you like this video? Please subscribe our channel and push like button for further updates.